It's okay. Keep working on these things. Come on. Okay, we are starting with cones today. Raghav. We learned about cylinders, right? The other day, cube, cuboid, and cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's focus on cones a little today. So, you see a cone over here,
Yes, sir.
and it has base radius r. As you notice, it has base radius r. It has vertical height h and slant height l. Now, if you cut open this cone, it's gonna look like this. What part is this? Can you tell me? Is it curved surface,
So
total
that's
surface?
that's the length and the height.
Yeah, I mean, which part, length and the height? Not length. This is called slant height.
Slant. Yes, sir. Slant height.
Slant height, absolutely. So
Also
when you
slant height.
when you cut open, this area will be what corresponding to the cone? What are you gonna what are you gonna call this? What area? Is it curved surface area or total surface area?
So this is curved, right?
Yes, it is curved surface area. When you include the circle also, when you
It becomes total.
yes, it becomes total surface area. Very good. Now, you know what curved surface area of a cone is? Back up.
Um, so what?
What is the curved surface area of a cone?
So is it the length into? Sir, I don't know.
You don't know, right? You see, I will
Yes,
write
sir.
I'll write it for you and I'll try to derive it as well. Curved
Yes, sir.
surface area of a cone
Yes.
is pi r. Pi multiplied by base radius multiplied by the slant height. Okay, but how?
Yes, sir.
How is it so? Let's do one thing.
Sir,
Look, we will divide this curved surface part into triangles. Okay, Raghav, like this.
yes, sir.
Let's start off with the middle one. Let's start off with one division. Okay, then take the second sort of division over here, third division over here. Actually, this is making it 4 divisions now. Then you take further one over here like this, one over here like this, one over here like this, one over here like this. Okay. Do you notice, Raghav, that the BC was very
Yes.
curved like this, right? But if you
Yes.
notice this part only, if you notice this part of the arc,
It's
it's
straight. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
it's much straighter, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. You understand that, right? Fantastic.
Yes, sir.
So basically, if we go on to increase the triangles, if we go on to increase the number of triangles, it'll become even more straighter,
Yes.
right? So now focus on these tiny triangles. Let's say we have taken n triangles. Number of triangles is n, right? We have taken
Yes,
n
sir.
triangles here. Number of triangles that we have, equal triangles, identical triangles, congruent triangles. Number of triangles we have made is n. What first tell me what is the length of this BC, total length from here to here? Any
Sir,
guess?
is it going to be like, sir, 8 and
Uh, we have n triangle. Look, take a look at this picture. Okay, this figure. Did we
yes,
cut
sir.
open? Did we cut open the cone from? Let me use a darker color. Did we cut open
Yes,
the
sir.
cone like this? I mean, this curve, this circumference opened up like this, right? BC. Do you notice that?
Yes, sir.
So BC arc BC is going to be the circumference of the base, that is 2 pi r. Do you notice? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you divide BC into n parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is only 8, 7, 8. But then I'm telling you that we are dividing it into n parts, right?
Yes, sir.
So base of each triangle will be what? What will be the base of each triangle?
Uh, so is it like n by
Total was
n
2
by height?
total was 2 pi r, wasn't it?
Yes, sir.
We are dividing it into n triangles, equal triangles.
Yes, sir.
The base of each triangle will be 2 pi r divided by n. Any confusions? Any confusions,
Mm,
Kaka?
no, sir.
Sure. Please do let me know
No,
if
sir.
there are any confusions. Okay, why
No, sir. I just got confused because of that. Now I understood that.
you understood that? Okay. Now, what is going to be the height of each triangle from here to here? What is it? What is this part?
The height, sir, it's gonna be
What is this part?
uh, sir, the slant.
Yes.
It's a slant.
Height of each triangle would be the slant height. Slant height. Height of each triangle is going to be L. So what will be area of each triangle?
Yes, sir.
Area of each triangle, come on. Back up. What is the formula for
Sir,
area?
area of half into base into height.
So half into, what is the
Base
base?
into height.
What is the base? Base
2
of
pi
each
r
triangle?
by n.
Yes, 2 pi r divided by n. And what is height for each triangle?
Sir, AB.
Yeah, yeah. That you told me over here, right? What is the height?
L L.
L. Very good. Very good. So this is L. Can we cancel out 2 and 2?
Yes, sir. We can.
So what are we left with? What is the area of each triangle?
Sir, pi r by n.
Pi r L also. Pi r L. Is L not visible to you?
Sir, yes, sir.
Is
Pi
pi r,
r.
there is pi r here and L here, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's pi r L divided by n. Fantastic. So what will be the total area? There are n triangles, mind you. Area of each triangle is pi r L divided by n. Total area will be
Uh, 8
it's
8 into
only 8 triangles.
8
That's
pi r
what
by 8 n.
Raga, I drew 8 triangles because it is not possible to show you n triangles, right?
Yes, sir.
Consider that there are n triangles, not just 8. If it was 8, this n would be 8.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So total area, since there are n triangles, it's going to be n times 2 pi r pi r L divided by. Are you getting the
Yes,
picture?
sir.
So n
Yes, sir.
cancelled. What are we getting? N cancelled. What are we left with?
Yes, sir.
N is cancelled. What are we left with? Raghav?
Sir, pi RL.
Yes. So total area over here is pi r L. Hence the curved surface area of the cone is pi r L. Got the picture, boy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Is there any doubts, any confusion in understanding this? Do let me know so that I can reiterate what I taught you.
Yes,
What is
sir.
confused? What is confusing? Tell me. You are
No,
reading
sir,
it,
nothing was confusing.
yeah, you are reading it as 8 triangles, right? 8 triangles.
Yes, sir.
That's because I drew 8 triangles only. I cannot show you n triangles. I cannot show you infinite number of triangles in this figure, right?
Yes, sir.
That is why I drew only 8 triangles. Now, if there are 8 triangles, n will be 8. If there are 10 triangles, n will be 10. N could be any number.
Yes, sir.
So, come on, you reiterate it, rephrase it in your own words. What did we do? We, in order to find out the curved surface area, in order to
Yes,
find out
sir.
the surface area, what did we
We
do?
found out the R, and then that arc was arc BC. That arc BC uh, was 2 pi R, and it's the circumference. And then base of each triangle, like it should be arc, and then like to find that base, we have to find the number of triangles. The number of triangles was n, so 2 pi R by n.
Yes.
Then height of each triangle was the slant height, that was L. And
Very
then
good.
area of each of triangle was half into base into height. That is
Mhm,
half into 2 pi R by n into L.
mhm.
So 2 and 2 get cancelled. So we get pi R L by n. And like to find the total area, we need to multiply pi R L by n, and so we got pi R L and
Very good.
n gets.
Did it fantastic, boy. There is no confusion at all. Wonderful.
No, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'm pretty satisfied. Okay, let me just erase it and write one more time. CSA is pi RL. Curved surface area is
Okay.
pi RL. What is total surface area? What are you going to do to find out total surface area? This is CSA pi RL. What is total surface area, boy?
Sir, pi R L plus pi R square.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. It's just the circle's area that we are adding. Okay. So pi r common L plus R. Note these, okay? CSA, TSA, and now we are going to talk about volume.
Yes, sir. Volume is length of base into height.
Area of base multiplied by height. Area of base multiplied by height. But in the case
Yes,
of a
sir.
cone, it is not the same, okay? Because the cone does not have a uniform height throughout up to the other end, right? We
Yes,
have
sir.
you have to find it out in a different manner. I'll tell you. You noted this? You noted this? Can we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, no, take this, Raghav. Let us take a sort of a container which is cylindrical and a container which is conical. Okay, they have the same radius of base and same height. Okay,
Yes,
let's
sir.
rather draw this conical container this way, inverted, so that we can put some liquid fluid in this. Okay, Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Now, you would notice, Raghav, this is very interesting. Try to understand what I'm trying to say. If you fill this with some fluid, some liquid, let's say milk or water, fill it
Yes.
to the rim and then put it in this container. What are you doing? What are you doing, boy?
From that, we are transferring it to the cylindrical container.
Yes, transferring it to cylindrical container. You know what? The
Yes.
cylindrical container will be filled completely in three goes. In three goes, in three times. You'll put it once,
Yes.
place, fill this container, conical container, and then put it into this. In three times, this container will be filled. In three times, this cylindrical container will be filled. Are you getting the picture, concept?
Yes.
So what can we say then? We can say that volume of cylinder is three times volume of cone.
Sir, volume is of a cone.
Do you do you not understand this? Tell me.
Yes, sir, I do.
You do, right? I mean, what did we do?
Yes, sir.
We filled the cone thrice, completely filled it, and then put the water or milk, whatever it was, into the cylinder, right? So in three goes, this cylinder was filled. So that means this cone's volume is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder, or volume of cylinder is three times the volume of cone. Am I clear? Raghav? 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 Are you there, boy?
Yes, sir. I do.
You got disconnected. Raghav? Raghav?
An internet issue, one minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I fixed it.
Fixed it. So what is volume of a cylinder? Volume of this cylinder, I mean, with radius r and height h. Raghav?
Hello?
Raghav, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, you are, but your camera is frozen.
Uh, you know, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
So volume of a cylinder, come on. What is it? Volume of a cylinder?
Sir, Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
No,
What
sir,
is
there was
volume?
just a problem with the.
Yeah, it's okay,
Yes, sir.
What is the volume of a cylinder whose radius base?
Volume
Yeah,
of cylinder, I think it was pi.
you just said area of base multiplied by height, right?
Yes, sir, that was pi r square into h.
Very good. So 3 times that is equal to 3 times volume of cone. So what is volume of cone going to be? Can you tell?
Pi r square h divided by 3.
Yes, wonderful. 1 by 3 pi r squared. Cool boy. So we have learned everything related to cone. Now we are going into questions.
Yes, sir.
Right. So take a look at this one. I mean, read it. Read it. What does it say?
Yes, sir. The height of a cone is 24 centimeter and the diameter of its base is 14. Find the slant height, volume, area of curved surface, and the total surface area of the cone.
Okay, so yeah, I told you that we have learned everything, but then there is one thing that I need to tell you still. Let's go to this. You see that we have 3 things over here, right? 3 basic dimensions, right? Radius of base, height, and slant head. What do you know about the relation between these 3? What is the relationship between these 3?
Sir, they have the same base.
I mean, this is L, right? This is L, this is
Yes,
H,
sir.
this is R. How do you relate the 3 basic measurements? If H and R are given, how would you find out L?
Sir, if H and R are given, then something must be given to find L, right? Like
Uh-huh.
H,
It's
like
the
pi r
pi.
square,
It is the
H equals
Pythagorean.
to like that.
It's the Pythagoras theorem, Raga. This is the right circular cone. This is the right angle, right? So
Yes, sir.
this is
AB, yeah, AC square equals AB plus BC square
so L square is equal to R square plus
plus
H.
H square.
That is the relationship between
Okay, sir.
L, R, and H. Got the picture?
Yes, sir.
It's the Pythagoras theorem, simple Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so now we are good to go with this question. Come on. The height of the cone, let's write it. Solution. Height of the
Yes,
cone is 24 centimeter.
yes, sir.
What is going to be the radius? Tell me.
So radius R, uh, 14 by 2 is 7.
Yeah, E by 2, diameter by 2, that's 7. You are told to find out the slant height first. So slant height, what is it going to be?
Sir, L equals H square plus R square.
L equals to H squared plus R squared. Okay, so H, that's 24 plus 7. What is it going to
Sir,
be?
the square and square would get cancelled.
Whoa, it's not like that. There's a plus in between. If it was multiplication, we are going to have them cancelled. But it's a plus in between, okay? Plus. So 576
Yes, sir. So
plus
576.
49. What is it going to be?
Sir, 576, 624, 625. So 625 means square root should be 25, right? L should be 25.
Absolutely. So now you
Yes,
have to
sir.
find out the volume. Come on, volume. What is it going to be?
Volume is length of base into height, that is
Yeah,
14.
we just understood volume, right?
Yes, sir, I do. Like,
Third,
because,
1 by 3.
yes, sir. 1 by 3 pi into r square. Pi r square.
So plug in the values. 1 by 3 times pi is 22 by 7. Multiplied by r is 7 into 7 into h is 24. 7, 7,
20.
3, 8. So what is it going to be? Find the product.
Sir, 166.
Eh? Is it going to be 166, 56 multiplied by 22?
Sir, 8 11, 8 11s are 88. 88 into 2s are 166, right?
There is no 2. I don't see 2.
176. No, sir. 176, I think. Sir, it is 176.
How is it 176? Here 22 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8.
Sir, it is 126 because I just
What did you do to
22 into
multiply? Come on, 22 into
22 into 8.
that's 176, right?
Yes, sir.
And there is a 7 here, right? 7.
Oh, yes, sir. One 176 into 7. I forgot that. Sir, I got the answer. It's
What is it?
1232.
1022.
Yes, sir.
Is it 1022?
1022. No, sir, not 1022.
What is it?
I got 1232.
Yes, that is correct. Just a second, I'll write. 1, 2, 3, 2 centimeter cube. Okay, let's go on to find out curved surface area now. Come on, help me.
Yes, sir.
What is curved surface area for this?
Sir, this year, I think it was pi L, pi RL.
Absolutely. So plug in the values. Raghav, are you there? L is 25.
Yes, sir.
What is it going to be? 22 into 25?
22 into 25. 550. Yes, sir. I got 550.
TSA now, come on. TSA is also to be found out.
Yes, sir. That's pi RL plus pi R square.
Pi R common, L plus
So
R.
that's pi R plus pi R into L plus
Plug in the values, plug in the values.
hello.
Yes, plug in the values. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir. It was pi R plus R. 22 into 32. 1 minute. 22, 32 into I got 700. Yes, yes, 700.
Got 8 point? Okay, cool.